Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting with the essentials: power and visibility. Charge the AirPods Max, then press the digital crown to wake them. On your Mac, open the Apple menu and go to System Settings, then Bluetooth, leave that Bluetooth pane open so the Mac is actively scanning. Make sure other Bluetooth headphones or iPhones aren't nearby and actively connected. They can steal pairing. Once both devices are ready and visible, you'll move straight into pairing without unnecessary delays. You'll now complete the pairing handshake. With Bluetooth open, watch the devices list until AirPods Max appears. It may take a few seconds. Click the device name and then connect. The Mac handles profiles automatically for audio, mic, and controls. If a verification prompt or passcode request appears, confirm it on your Mac. Rarely, you may need to accept a pairing request on the AirPods Max itself. Once confirmed, the Mac should show them as connected and select them. Finish by verifying audio routing. Open sound settings and ensure AirPods Max are selected for both output and input. Test playback and the mic, and toggle spatial audio or automatic switching if you use multiple Apple devices. If pairing fails, restart your Mac's Bluetooth or reset the AirPods Max by holding the noise control and digital crown buttons for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes, then retry pairing. This reset resolves most stuck states without erasing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.